Amazon earnings today after the close. We were talking about Amazon yesterday, me and another student. So we'll watch that. Also, Capital One, they report earnings. Gilead, ILMN, and VRSN. Those will be after the close. Airlines up. AAL reported earnings today, and they were pretty good, so they moved up. And then Love as well. Love is up. Airlines are up across the board. A couple more that reported earnings that beat CTXS as well as Comcast. I don't know about the guidance for those two, but I know CTXS is up and CMCSA. They are up. CMSA pulled back to the zone. It's kind of tight as far as the zone is concerned for Comcast. You've got your entry zone and your stop would kind of all be within $1 range. So Twitter too. Twitter in the news, not good. So they're down. Their earnings were down. So they're down. They went as low as $30.82 off of their earnings, and you know they were up trading about $40. So about a $10 drop for them.